What's up, guys? It's Justin. I'm back. We're back on the grind. We're gonna get some videos done, and we're out here today. We're working on the WRX. Got it behind me there. We're gonna do some simple mods today. We're gonna do debadging it. We got Devin over here. He's drifting the Cobalt to my left. We'll get you some sick action shots of him drifting, because who doesn't want to see some guy slide his Cobalt around on some ice, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get her done. So, we're going to be taking off the Subaru and all-wheel drive badge right there, because, you know, this is an all-wheel drive. And then we're going to take the Impreza badge off on that side, because it's not an Impreza, it's a WRX. Let's get to it. So, here's the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a heat gun. You're going to need some dental floss to be able to get like under behind the letters to pry them off. You're going to need like a credit card or like a actual tool that you can use to remove trim. I'm going to use my CAA roadside assistance card. You're going to need some degreaser for all the shit that's left behind. Usually you want to use like a Goo Gone. We're going to use Super Clean because that's all that I have right now. Microfiber to clean everything. That's pretty much all you're going to need. You want to make sure your work area is nice and clean on here and no dirt like I have, because you don't want to scratch your paint. You can see my amazing swirl marks in my paint. Obviously I care so much, but that's what we're going to use. We're going to get to it. So we got the heat gun. We're going to start applying some slow heat. You don't want to hit that cable that's right there, so I'm going to pull that back with my foot. Oh, Devin's got it. Thanks, Devin. You don't want to get too close because you don't want to damage your paint. Light, even. I've never done this before, but this is what I've seen from the internet. So we're going to get her nice and warm, then we're going to start peeling her off. Okay, so we got them heated up. They're a little warm, but as you can see, if you take it, you can twist it and it'll work. So I got a piece of dental floss, and we're just going to work our way through it and see if we can pull them off and see how that goes. So we got the letters off, came off like butter. As you can see, there's still some residue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat it up with the heat gun, and then we're gonna scrape it off using a combination of fingernail. We're gonna use the card, and then whatever's left, we're gonna hit it with some of that wax and grease remover, and then we're gonna hit it with a clay bar and see how much we get off and see what our finished product looks like. So let's get to work. We're at Kent. Gonna get some Goo Gone. We got the goods, ready to head back, finish it up. So, got the Goo Gone, we sprayed it on, we've wiped everything off. I'm gonna show you the finished product on the driver's side. We're gonna take a look, see what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. I think you guys are gonna be stoked. Let's check it out. So that's our before. And this is our after. Anytime you're going to use like a wax or grease remover like this, like a Goo Gone, you're going to have to re-wax the car, apply some new wax there. But it's in storage for the winter, so that doesn't really apply to me. But as you can see, before versus after. We're going to get the Impreza off now, and then we'll check out and see what the whole thing looks like.
I gotta go pee.
Okay, so we got it done. We're going to take a look. We're going to see what it looks like. Are you ready? We got Caleb here. We got Tom. We got Devin. He's over there real exposed. Taking a
Flooding
piss.
the rink.
He's flooding the rink. So, we're going to check it out. We're going to see what it looks like. Are you ready?
Gonna get copyrighted.
There she is, as you can see. Finished product. We got a nice Burt from Devin. Looks pretty good. Bear on that side. Just the WRX over there. So, that's the video. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, share it. Peace out. Keep moving forward.